morning, everyone. Danbeta. Oh, nice name. Danbeta. You're from India? Where from India? I will see your... Okay. Why? Why alone? Laughing out loud. Magkape na tayo kasi ano pa? Just 7:30 in the morning here. My name is Annalisa. I am Annalisa. Which part of India were you from? Perlapili. It's hard your name. It's hard to pronounce your name. Perlapili. Parlapili pala. Tirupati. Nagkakape ako Malin Rosales. Nagkakape. Ay, tsaa pala. Kasi maaga pa rito eh. Oras pa ng almusal. What? Ako Aisa. My name is Lisa. Annalisa. Good morning, good morning. Thank you sa mga tamsak. Thank you. Almusal muna tayo. This is my breakfast. Kubos or chapati in India or what part of the world chapati? They call this one chapati. Chapati and a peanut butter and a glass of tea is my breakfast. Hello, Parlapiri. Walang mga ano to. Good morning, Mindami. Mindami. Where are you from, Mindami? Oh, puro lahat mga walang ano. Mga walang bye. Bye. Baliktad ang iyang Bible. Nagiging pa. I am doing my breakfast, Malin.